joining me here at Margaret Lalikian's kitchen. If you haven't been eating lentil until now, well, it's time for you to incorporate this incredible food into your diet. Its nutritional benefits can't be beaten. Lentils are affordable, versatile, and easy to make. And their nutritional content really can't be beaten. They are rich in many nutrients, including protein, fiber, folate, vitamin B6, thiamine, niacin, pantothenic acid, riboflavin, vitamin K, iron, magnesium, phosphate, potassium, zinc, manganese, and selenium. This ancient food has been feeding populations for over 9,000 years. It's been a staple food in many countries. Today we are going to make Armenian lentil soup. This is my mom's recipe. We usually cook this on a cold winter day or a rainy day, and today is raining and it's perfect for this rainy day. Let's cook together. And what do we need for this incredibly delicious soup? We need 1 cup of lentil, which is look like this. This is my lentil, 1 cup. We also need 1/3 of a cup macaroni shells. This is what it will look like. And if you don't have this kind of shells, you can use any kind of macaroni shells. We also need 1 tablespoon of pepper paste, 1 tablespoon of tomato paste, 3 to 4 tablespoons of olive oil, 1 lemon juice. You can use the lemon juice to your taste. 5 to 6 cloves of garlic, salt, red pepper, black pepper, and 1 teaspoon of dried mint. If you don't have dried mint, you can use fresh mint. That's all we need for our delicious soup today. So let's get cooking. To start with, we are going to add 1 cup of green lentils into the pan and 6 cups of water and start boiling it. Lentils usually cook very fast. In a few minutes, you'll see that the water is evaporated. It's all absorbed. Therefore, you have to add more water. I have a kettle of water boiling on the side, and I always have boiling water on the side to add it as I need it. Then we are adding the remaining ingredients. I'm adding 1 tablespoon of pepper paste and 1 tablespoon of tomato paste. I'm also adding lemon juice. This is 1 tablespoon. I'm adding 2 tablespoons right now. Then I will taste it. If it needs more, I will add more. I'm adding 1 teaspoon of dried mint, 1 teaspoon of salt, 1/4 teaspoon of red pepper, and 1/4 teaspoon of black pepper, 5 cloves of crushed garlic, and a little bit of chopped hot peppers, about 2 to 3 tablespoons of olive oil, and we're going to bring this to a simmer. Once everything is simmered and cooked, before we turn it off, I'm going to add the macaroni shells. I'm going to taste it to see if I need to add more seasoning. Everything is to my taste at this point, but I will taste it again once everything is well combined and incorporated, and once it comes to a boil. So I'm going to simmer this for another half an hour or so. Then I will add the macaroni. My soup was simmering last half an hour. I'm going to add the macaroni shells. I have 1/4 cup of macaroni shells, and I'm going to continue simmering it for another 10 minutes until the shells are cooked. If the shells are cooked, then you can turn the heat down, or you can turn the heat off and let it cool down. Then you can serve it. At this point, if you think you need more water, I'm going to add a little more water to this. If you like a little more dense or a little denser, then you don't need to add the water. Or if you need more macaroni shells, you can add more macaroni shells. But it expands, and we don't want it to be too thick. We want it to be more soup-like. My soup has been simmering last half an hour, and it's ready. The macaroni is cooked, and this is what it will look like. Now I'm going to plate it and serve it. This is served hot. I would suggest you serve it hot because it tastes better when it's served hot. My soup is ready. Now I'm going to taste it. As you can see, the macaroni shells has expanded, and it looks delicious. Let me see how it tastes. It's so perfect for this rainy day. You're going to love this. It's so tasty, and it's fulfilling, and it's comforting. Well, try it and let me know how you like it. I have to go finish this soup, so I'll see you later. Here is another simple yet very delicious and nutritious recipe for you. Please don't forget to hit that like button and also share with your friends. Your participation and encouragement helps me to bring you more delicious recipes. Wishing you a very happy holiday season, Merry Christmas and Happy New Year. Have a wonderful day, wonderful week, and wonderful life. Bye-bye.